In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a birthday invitation card with AI. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website over here, which I think is the simplest to use. Now, of course, you could use Canva or Photoshop or any other tool as well. However, I think this tool, this website called Photar.com, does it very well. So you simply want to type into Google Photar or just go to Photar.com. And then from here, from the main site, you want to hover over templates over here and then click on invitation. Once you click this, it will open up their site. There we go. And then over here, you can browse by category and you can see birthday over here. So simply click on birthday. And then from this tab, you will have to basically just select which one you like the most. So over here, as you can see, you have different templates for the birthday parties. So you have different ones over here. Some look better, some don't. Of course, you will have to select the one that you prefer the most, of course. So let's say you actually want to go with, I don't know, with this one over here. I like this one. So I'm just going to click on this one over here. And then once you click on that, you want to click on use the template or use this template. And then it's going to take you over here inside the editor. Now, first you will have to log in, because if you don't log in, you won't be able to download it later, okay? So as you can see, it says sign up or sign in to download. So click on login or sign up. So if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. If you do, click on login. And then you can just continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or with your email. So I'm just going to go with Google because I think it's the easiest and the fastest way to do it. Let me select my account. There we go. And then after that's it, there we go, I'm now logged in. So here you already have a template. It's looking quite good if you ask me, but you can of course edit everything you want. So of course you can do, for example, if it says join us for a birthday party, you can do you're invited to a birthday party. There we go. Bruno's turning 2 years old. You can just do I'm turning 20 or something like that. And then of course you can customize everything. You can basically do this accordingly, so you can just replace text like that. There we go. Let me just make this a bit bigger. There we go. You could do everything. You can delete things if you don't like them like that. There we go. And it's basically fully customizable. You can move things around if you wanna. You can replace them. You can just go over here on the left, see the elements. Basically, if you've ever used Canva, this is quite similar to Canva. It looks and basically feels like Canva as well. And also it has the same mechanics. And then you can just put in some text if you want to via that. You can upload your own images. You can add photos, backgrounds, etc. So once you've done that, and once you are happy with what you've done over here, so once your invitation card is complete, you can simply click on download up here, this blue button top right, and then you want to select, of course, you will have to give it a name. So for example, I'm going to do my birthday invitation. There we go. And then you're going to do the file format. You can leave this as high resolution PNG. You can do a normal PDF or whatever you want to do. And after that, simply click on over here if you want a custom size. If you do, you can do that as well. If you don't, you can just leave this as it is. Click on download, and then it's going to start generating your work for download. And just in a few seconds, there we go. There we go. This has now been downloaded, so we can just open it up. Let me just open this up with my computer. There we go. As you can see, the invitation poster, or basically the card, has now been downloaded to my computer. I can then print it and send it to anyone I want. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.